are you stealing my wine?
Hello and welcome back to German Brew again. Today we make a tasting again. We have two Viking bloods here. My wife is here, of course.
Hello everyone again.
One Viking blood is, we just call it Cherry Mead. We make it on the channel of my wife.
Ah, okay.
And it's made with some cherry nectar, so cherry juice plus sugar plus water, and honey and water. And this one is the Viking blood I made last year. It's already 1 year old.
Oh.
It's just tart cherries, water, and blossom honey. So this one is, we end in end of November, so it's a little bit younger. And we ended there with a lot of ABV. I think it was 18. So it was a lot. And this one just has 11. So we can taste the difference there already.
So
Want
first,
to open the second?
I don't know how to open this.
Ah!
Wait, there's a... Oh, it smells good!
Color is amazing.
Oh, this smells so good!
You can smell it here. Left.
I like the smell of this. It's more cherry smelling. Wow, it looks so nice.
It has a really nice deep red color.
Nice red color. I will drink. This is the wine I made in my channel.
But I think this one also. You already drink?
Not yet. I thought we are drinking this.
I can see here we have some sparkle. Just. don't slow down.
Wow. Chance, I like it.
But my wife is right. In the Viking blood I
This
make,
is more
you can
honey,
smell.
more smelling honey. Oh, the shots, I like the shots. It's really delicious.
I still don't smell both, so this is still the Viking blood I have now.
I like the smell of this, but that is really, you can smell alcohol.
Okay, this is really, yes, it's.
This
I
is
think it was almost 18%.
really honey. This
Here we
is
have alcohol, it's more like a wine, but you can smell the cherry more. It smells more like cherry.
This smells more like honey.
This
You
smells
try
more
it,
like
it's
honey.
really delicious.
Okay, I try the cherry mead first. Or the cherry fruit honey wine.
It's really,
Really sweet.
delicious. It's really sweet.
A lot of cherry. It's nice.
Yeah.
But you also can taste the alcohol.
It's really,
But this is
it's
good.
really
This is really
delicious.
good. I need to say it's nice. I need to drink a second.
I still don't try this.
We have a really nice cherry flavor. The nectar gives really good cherry.
Mm.
The alcohol is really a lot.
But it's delicious.
I think we need to make a big of it.
Yes. It's really delicious. So I will try
We need to
this.
make.
It's dry.
Really, really cherry.
It's dry.
Yes. You know I make normally dry before.
It's dry. But you can still taste the cherry and not so much is, I can say, so much alcohol because it's really
Yeah.
different
It's
for the taste of the alcohol
just
with the
11.
other one.
So
Okay, this is
here you
mine.
have more cherry flavor
This
in
is
the cherry smell. But
Oh, it's really
I
delicious.
also think there is a honey more in. It's dry. It's sparkling. And this one is a cherry. more better.
Yeah, yeah. Right. What cherry did you use the other one?
Here is tart cherry, and this is also tart cherry in the nectar. So yours is better.
Yes, I like it. This is.
If you want to see the video for this, the video is there, somewhere there. I always don't know where. So there is the link. And do you need to put more? Why?
Because I wanted to check. Do you need more? Do you have not anymore
We can also storage it inside.
No. I will drink today because today is Mother's Day. So I don't know. Today is Mother's Day. So I will drink now.
So she will
Someone stole my wine!
So I put a little bit of this in this.
Okay. Maybe it's better when it's not so long. Or they said...
The storage is good. It's really it's more sweeter. Try, it's not sweeter. Viking blood need to be sweet.
Then mine is better.
Yes, but I think we need to try it without so much alcohol. Or with so much alcohol.
No.
Okay.
No.
We need to make new.
This is
so we need to buy cherry nectar. I also wanted to buy cherry juice once, but it's difficult to get. I'm sure with pure cherry juice it's even one level higher.
How many alcohol is this? No, I will be drunk.
Almost 18%.
I will be drunk, but it's really delicious. It's really delicious. It's so nice like when you eat steak and then after you eat steak you drink delicious wine.
It's also more,
it's really delicious.
Desert wine. It's sweet. It's cherry flavor.
That is more dry.
That is more dry, yes. But the cherry is also not so there, and I think sugar don't change it because here I just put the cherries and they ferment with the honey and the water, and there is just the juice, not even the color is better.
Yeah.
I don't know if it can be compared. It's a deeper red, it's a richer red. So, we need to make it with the nectar. Maybe then 3 liter, not only one.
Yes.
We just have one bottle. And she already can feel it.
I feel a lot of alcohol inside.
The alcohol is really high. That you can...
But it's really delicious. Maybe because
if I
it's
remember
more...
right, we higher than 1.120 when we make it.
Really delicious. Or maybe I more prefer.
You prefer sweeter.
Yeah, I prefer sweeter.
It's really better. The dry is nice. It's if you don't have to compare.
If you like
to sweet.
If you like dry wine, it's better.
I think when you make the dry wine with nectar is also better because you have more from the cherry flavor. Here you have just small cherry flavor. Yeah, it's really better. So, the next time this one also on my channel in big.
So we only have one glass of this?
We have only one bottle
Did you
of
throw
this, yes. No, only one bottle because we have a lot of... Just was a small fermenter we made.
Yeah, I remember the small one with the big mouth.
Yeah, that's why. And now we need a bigger one. But you can feel the alcohol. Okay, so for the next mead, cherry nectar, sugar is inside because of the nectar, and honey. Done. We also don't put extra water, I remember. We just put the nectar and honey.
Okay.
That is it.
I don't remember. I was just in the video. Maybe just
It
my
was the first
presence
time.
was there, and it's okay.
You can see it there. I don't know. Do you know the corner where it's always is? There? Okay, I always said that you can see it there. But also,
I don't know. I think there, but also
next week again we make a new brew. Maybe
Yeah.
this wine we make next week. This mead. And if you like the video, there is also now the video of my wife there, where you can see how we make it. And there is other video YouTube think you will like. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Thumb up. Bye.